their performance later on. 2 Hurricanes, 2 Spitfires. And they...
The last bit, you can't see it. You have to strain your neck.
Do you know what?
Strain my neck to tell him off. It's terrible,
Yeah, but the amazing thing is, if I didn't on the ground call, you can't tell them off, actually.
I can.
You don't have to be able to see it.
I can still hit from...
Can't capture it at the moment. Yesterday, I was like, keep carrying on. I'm going to plug you in the leg. That's it. I've got that at the moment.
Spitfire up, mate.
Spitfire's alright. He doesn't stay indoors. That's what we're doing. The last fortnight we've said.
But it's not more of a Spitfire's like.
That's right.
That's an
I'll go over it. I'm not sitting.
He's customised my lawnmower. He got the welder out.
So with the last of the BBMF Battle of Britain Memorial fighters landing, we had hoped to have 5 today, but 4's pretty good. And that's the Hurricane 2C, the last one. Once they're clear of the runway, we'll expect to have a look at the Jaguars that live here. You can't see Jaguars.
Please look to your right, get your cameras ready. This is a very special moment. You can see 2 Hurricanes and 2 Spitfires of the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight in formation with the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. Now I'm going to be quiet so you can hear the fantastic sound of these engines in formation.
So the Hurricanes are on the wings. The Spitfires led by the Mark 16 in the centre of the centre line. And Justin Staveley. Display with the Tornado towards the end of the day, penultimate item in the flying show. A wonderful crossing of the decades once again to see the RAF's paramount frontline fighter of the moment with possibly one of the greatest fighters of all time.
Yeah, I know they did. I know they were bashing it.
Yeah, he's having a good time. He's just sleeping. He's just sleeping. Kyle, you're right.
Who's going home?
I gotta admit though, you have to love the Spitfires. Oh my god.
boss.